So, hello everyone, welcome back. This year, as in 2026, I'm turning 19. It's going to be my last year of teenage. All the 2000 born can relate to me. It feels like yesterday itself I was 14-year-old excited to get into class 10th and now I'm turning 19. Don't you guys think time is running too fast? One moment it was lockdown, and the other moment it has already been 6 years since lockdown happened. As a kid, I always used to look up to my elder cousins, and I wanted that kind of freedom to do anything as I wish. But little did I know that freedom comes with a price, and this time the price was my own self. I don't know when and how I lost myself, or you can say I lost my inner child in the process of becoming adult. The small things which used to excite me as a kid doesn't excite me anymore. The festival which used to be my favorite has lost its spark for me. Not for everybody else, just for me. The family gatherings which I used to look forward to feels like a burden now. The birthdays which used to be my best day of the year is not the same anymore. Now I don't actually like celebrating my birthday. And 2025 made me realize that at my lowest I would be alone. Not even my parents would be there to support me. At the same time, I realized how big of a disappointment I am to my family just because I did not get the result according to their expectation. That's when I actually got that point that you can't impress everyone else, so do what you love. Because I always used to think that my family and my parents are like my backbone. They would be always there when I would need them. But 2025 proved me wrong. 2025 was the year when I lost myself completely. Maybe the process has been started way before, but the turning point was 2025, and it was like my biggest downfall of, or you can say my biggest academic downfall, which also affected my mental health, mental state, or whatever you say it. And 2026 is going to be the year where I will find my way back to myself, and I'm going to make sure of it, because I'm a strong believer of this quote that whatever happens happens for a reason. And I keep reminding this to myself because I keep forgetting it despite of whatever. Like, okay, I might think right now it's not the ideal situation for me, but whatever is happening, it has a reason behind it, because it's God's plan. Everything is happening according to them, so nothing can go wrong, nothing can go right. Everything is happening at the right time. There's no right or wrong time for it, there's no right or wrong path. Whatever is happening in the best way possible and in my favor itself. I keep on reminding myself this thing, and at the end we are all playing our parts in the story written by God, so let's leave it on the writer's hand. At the end of the day, we will all get our happy endings, and maybe we will get it soon. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.